when an institution like a bank that's been around for hundreds of years for some of the banks and doing quite well with dominant market share, sometimes it's hard for them to see that there's a different way of doing what they're already doing. So success actually creates blinders. And for a lot of the companies, a lot of the banks that Rich and Nigel were talking to at the time, they had very successful, very profitable credit card businesses. So if you have a successful and profitable business, and here come two consultants telling you there's a different and better way to do it, sometimes it's hard to actually see how the new way could be better than the old way. And an easy and convenient answer is we're already doing that. Sometimes it takes just one progressive leader to say, this sounds very interesting and could be a very productive path forward that can differentiate us and change the growth trajectory of the business. Signet Bank's management was progressive enough to see that the strategy that was being outlined by Rich and Nigel was one that could benefit them greatly. So I came in 1993. And it was at the very early part of the growth curve. The company had just cracked the code on a product that was very innovative in the market at the time called balance transfer. So today, when you transfer balances between cards as a part of the account opening process, that entire process, that entire product was really envisioned by Rich and Nigel that joined before me. But that was the product that really put Signet Bank on the map with this new strategy. And years of really testing before this product was discovered, and some of the huge benefits of the product and a way of differentiating pricing for the best customers. And it was really centered around a couple insights that were generated as part of the test and learn process. But ultimately, the balance transfer product was scaling. I was part of a batch of analysts that were hired directly out of college that started in 1993 that basically doubled the size of the analytic team within Signet Bank that really was chasing the credit card business.